Hey guys, it's Nick here, the owner of Parks Detailing, and today we're going to be going over our interior leather coating and care package. These chemicals are all from NV, and these towels are all from Flynn, Korea. We're going to be showing you guys how to clean and coat your interior surfaces. The first step is going to be to use Cleanse. This is a pH neutral foaming cleaner. You're going to apply it to a brush or an applicator of your choice and simply work it into the leather to cut through all the grime that is on that surface. The second step is going to be to use Guardian. This is their water-based interior coating. It can be put on leather, plastics, and vinyl, and you're simply going to use an applicator of your choice. We included 3 different kinds. We realize every interior is different, and so we have found that these 3 can cover pretty much any type of interior. And you're going to apply it to the surface and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes before wiping it off. We recommend giving the interior 2 to 3 hours to cure before you have any traffic going in and out of the vehicle, just to ensure that that coating is dried as much as possible. And the third step is going to be maintenance, which is Nourish. This is a water-based leather quick detailer. It can be used on vinyl and plastic as well, and it's going to clean and also top up the coating and keep it nourished so that you get maximum longevity out of Guardian. We recommend reapplying Guardian every 6 to 12 months depending on the traffic through your interior and how often you're using the vehicle.